Okay, third video for tonight. It's pretty fast videos, but this is my multi-tool, my new multi-tool I got for fishing and stuff. It's made by Sheffield. Open it up. Okay. It's got a nice outside. It says Sheffield right there. I don't know why my camera's not focusing good. It's got pads right there for your hands. Open it up. Hang on a second. Let me try something. Okay, that's better. Never tried this, but okay. Open it up, and it's got pliers, wire cutters. It's got fish scaler. It's got a 2.5 inch ruler on it. Not really sure what that thing is. Can opener. Screwdriver. Phillips head. Then on this side, you got your razor blade, your small blade. That's a bottle opener right there, and this is a flathead screwdriver. Both really strong, or sharp, whatever. And it says right here, it says Sheffield number 12000 stainless steel. Same thing over here. Right there, same thing. It's got a nice spring on it. You guys will be seeing this in work, this spring. I'm ready for the spring already. I might go fishing tomorrow and get that on camera. It's got right there, you can kind of see it a little bit, but it's just a little bit of grooves in the metal for grip. And then it just slides right in its sheath. Sheffield. Maybe it's kind of focused, but oh well.